Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best keyboards for Macs. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 keyboards for Macs, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Logitech Bluetooth Keyboard. As inexpensive, take anywhere, do anything keyboards go, Logitech's K380 is tough to beat. It'll easily suffice as a daily keyboard in a desktop setup, but it's light enough that you can pick it up and toss it in a bag alongside your iPad when you need to get some work done on the go. Like Logitech's MX keys, the K380 will let you switch between 3 different devices at the press of a button. Nothing comes without caveats at this price, of course. Like many cheap wireless peripherals, the K380 relies on disposable batteries for power, which generates e-waste over time. That said, one pair of AAAs should last up to 2 years, so it isn't as if you're throwing batteries in the trash regularly, and we know you're actually properly disposing of any old power cells. It also features round keycaps, which some people love, but isn't for everybody. Number 2. DOS Keyboard for Mac. You can go the custom route and build a mechanical keyboard completely tailored to your needs, but the DOS Keyboard for Professional is hard to beat if you just want a great solution right out of the box. You do get to choose between clicky Cherry MX Blue or softer MX Brown switches, but the features remain standard across the board otherwise. That includes a handy oversized volume knob, built-in media controls, a 2-port USB hub, and even a removable footbar that raises the keyboard and doubles as a ruler. Laser-etched keycaps for maximum durability are paired with Cherry MX Blue switches, giving your new mechanical keyboard a life of up to 50 million keystrokes. High-performance, gold-plated switches provide the best contact and typing experience because, unlike other metals, gold does not rust, increasing the lifespan of the switch. Number 3. Kinesis USB Keyboard. It may be a gaming keyboard first and foremost, but the Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB's combination of a mechanical keyboard with an ergonomic layout will please anyone simply looking for the most comfortable typing experience possible. The RGB in its name refers to the keyboard's colorful backlighting, which can be customized with a vibrant pattern, or turned off if you don't want too much of a light show. Like other top-of-the-line gaming keyboards, it features a slew of extra features, including dedicated macro keys that you can customize for any game or app. The Freestyle Edge comes in 4 different mechanical switch options to suit your typing preference, but you'll, unfortunately, have to shell out a bit extra for a set of Mac keycaps you can swap in. 16.8 color per key RGB backlighting with 10 customizable effects like wave, spectrum, rebound, pulse, rain, and much more. Install Lighting Expansion Pack 1 to add layer lighting and 2 tone effects. Number 4. Drop ENTR Mechanical Keyboard. The world of mechanical keyboards is deep, but if you'd like to experience one without falling completely down the rabbit hole, Drop's ENTR is a good choice. This was the first mechanical keyboard I'd used since the mid-2000s, but my muscle memory kicked in immediately. I knew how much higher to raise my fingers to hit the keys relative to the chiclet-style keyboard on my MacBook Pro or Satechi Slim X3. The keys on the ENTR make more noise, more of a click than a clack, than a Magic Keyboard. I could type notes while on a video call without feeling embarrassed or immediately reach for the mute switch when I wasn't talking. If you haven't used a mechanical keyboard in a while, I recommend getting a wrist rest to accompany yours. It's not that typing on the ENTR was uncomfortable, but mechanical keyboards were designed to work with a rest for maximum comfort. Number 5. Apple Magic Keyboard. Apple's newest signature Magic Keyboard, updated in 2021, has a very welcome feature that makes it feel like, well, magic again. It has a Touch ID key in the top right corner that lets you log in quickly and make secure purchases with the push of a button, a feature you normally have to give when using a third-party keyboard. The full-size version, which features a complete suite of keys and a number pad, offers the biggest change from a standard laptop keyboard. There's also the standard compact model if desk space is more of a concern. Both have a built-in battery with USB-C charging, which should give you a month of use or so on a charge. There is one downside. The new Magic keyboards only work with newer Macs that have Apple's M1 chipset. If you're using an older model, Apple still sells the old Magic keyboard without Touch ID. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.